Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about TikTok ads. If you're still new to TikTok business, if you're still new with TikTok shop or anything with TikTok business, I'm going to show you how to create TikTok ads from scratch. First thing first, you're going to want to create your TikTok business account. Do not confuse it with your personal account. You don't need a personal account in order to create your TikTok business account. It does going to make it easier because you can just start signing up with your TikTok account. If you already have a TikTok shop account or maybe a personal account that you would like to use to sell some stuff. If you're an influencer and you start being able to join, let's say, TikTok affiliates, and you would like to promote your video even more, you can use that account as your TikTok business account. But you can also just create everything from scratch by simply using your phone numbers or maybe using your email in order to sign up to TikTok business or TikTok seller centers. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks like this. So in this dashboard, not only you'll be able to see your shop insight in general, you can also manage your orders, your shipping, your promotion, your shop tab, your shop ads, etc. You can also take a look at many shoppable video in case you need an idea to create a video as your own ads. Alright, now that you already created your TikTok business account, you're going to want to go to ads.tiktok.com. So this is where you will be able to create your ads on TikTok. After you go to ads.tiktok.com, they're going to ask you to create an ads manager. So I already have some over here. If you don't have anything, you can just go ahead and create it first. So now I'm just going to go ahead and choose one of it. I'm going to use this ones right here, and then they're going to ask us about what kind of ads do we want to create today. So we have two options. We have the basic ads or the basic settings and then the advanced settings. Here it says that everything you need to create ads for a business in just a few steps, or if you would like to go with the advanced, you can see more advanced features for any advertising object. I personally love to use the basic one. It is pretty simple and it has everything that I need in it. So for today, I'm just going to go ahead and use the basic ads settings. Alright, so they're going to be 4 steps in order to create your ads. The first one is to set a goal. Second one is to select audience. Third one is to set the budgets for your ads. And then the last one is going to be the creation of your ads, which is the content that you will want to use as your ads. And we're going to go through them together in this video, and we're going to start with the first one, which is setting your goal. So here they're going to ask you about what is the goal that you want to achieve through creating or through using this content as an ad. You have the option to choose traffic, which is going to help you to send more people into your website. You have the option to choose community interaction, lead generation, website conversion, and sell product online. So let's say for now I want to focus on community interaction, which will get more page follow or profile visit on my profile. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And then after we set our goal, we're going to want to select the audience in which we want to approach or we want to target to. So here I'm going to focus on the location on which I am living. You can definitely get more than just one location. So let's say I want to add some more. Let's say it's going to be Singapore or Malaysia. So you can add as many location as you want. Just make sure that these are the reachable location in which you want your business to grow into. So I'm just going to go with those 3 for now. And then as for the demographic, I'm going to go for all gender. And as for the age, let's say I want to stick with 18 to 24. No, I'm going to go with 25 to 34. And as for the language, I'm just going to click all as my language. Obviously, you can just choose whatever language you want to use. And then you can also choose on the interest or the behavior of the people that you will want to target through your ads. Let's say I want the people that I want to target to be interested in beauty and personal care, and you can even be more specific about the category, but I'm just going to stick with the general category. And then you can also choose on the interaction that your targeted customer usually do, whether they watch the video till the end or whether they like the video, commented on it, or share it. And then you can select a time period to include the actions from. So let's say that I will want to search for people who would like to share the video and the time period. I'm just going to leave it for now. Here on the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see the audience size of the target market or of the people that you'll be able to reach after you select on all of the filter or all of the audience setting that you have already created earlier. So here you can see that it says that this is the estimation of the number of user account eligible to see your ad. It's based on your targeting, selected placement, and the number of user accounts shown ads in our apps in the past 30 days. So you can take a look at the amount of people that you can reach with all of the setting that you have already chosen. So after you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. And next, you're going to want to set on your budget. So you have the options to choose whether you want to use a lifetime budget or the daily budget. And if you're still new, I will recommend you to try with the daily budget first and then see how it works. Once you getting the hang of how this all works, you can then switch to the lifetime budget. And then you can also set on when the ads to be run. Either you want to set the date, or you can just start now with no end date. I always like to set the date. So for example, let's say I want this ads to be run on, let's say, April 4th. And then as for the time, I want it to be, let's say, on 7 p.m. There we go. And then it's going to end the day after that, also for 7 p.m. So it's going to be a 24 hours ads. Okay, once I set the budget and the time, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Now, the last part of creating an ad is to add your content. So you can either choose a post. So you can either choose a post that you've already posted on your TikTok account, or you can just also add the video by uploading a video from your desktop or whatever device that you're using when you access TikTok Ads Manager. So in order to upload the video, all you have to do is click this upload video button over here and then upload the video from your device. And make sure to pay attention to the requirement. So the size of the content will have to be less than 100 megabyte, and the quantity of the content will have to be up to 30 images. Which means it's going to be around 3000 megabyte. And once you uploaded your video, you could just go ahead and choose on the video that you want to use as an ad. Let's say I'm just going to work with this one. Then click on confirm. And you'll be able to see the preview of how your ads will look like. So you can add text to your ads, which is obviously going to be the caption of your video. Then you can also choose the call to action button that will appear on your ads. So they're going to give you a recommended button, but you can always choose on whatever button you want to use. I'm just going to use the recommended one for now. Then click on the tick box right here and submit your ads. After you're done with your ads, you'll be able to create a custom report analytics for your overall ads and your overall profile. And that's basically it. That is how you can create an ads on TikTok. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.